last 5 days with experts and participants from different institutes. With your participation, the FDP successfully completed all its sessions. In this FDP, we have focused on the development and applications of chemosensors. Chemosensors are, we know that, placing a crucial role in analytical chemistry, biomedicinal science, and environmental chemistry. Chemosensors offer an accurate and low-cost finding of anions, enzymes, explosive, toxic heavy metals with high selectivity, sensitivity, and taper to form gels. Various types of sensors are used in our daily life to provide accurate and quicker analysis. I am sure all the participants must have enjoyed and benefited from the live deliberation and active discussion with the experts in the field available during the program. During this 5 days FDP program, we have learned that the cost-effective synthesis and development of sensor and their use for several purposes. I hope this FDP will provide the sufficient knowledge and skill to think a new research area. So now I request the Dean Student Affairs to say something about this program. So, sir, please, if you
thank you, Dr. Saab. Thank you so much. I welcome all of you. 1 week online faculty development program on development and applications of sensors in modern life, which was held in 25th to 29th October 2021. Professor Atta, I congratulate to you. It was very nice program, FDP program, and I hope everyone is benefited to this program. And मैं सभी को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ फ्यूचर के लिए, और आप एनआईटी में आगे भी आते रहें, जितने भी पार्टिसिपेंट हैं, ऐसी मेरी शुभकामनाएं हैं. थैंक यू डॉक्टर साहब, थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir. Nice. I am very happy that your talk will inspire to conduct the another or maybe a new type of the FDP in NIT Arunachal Pradesh. Now, sir, I request the Institute Coordinator of Atal FDP, Professor M.K. Som, to say some words regarding this workshop.
सर आपकी आवाज कम आ रही है. सोम सर, आपकी आवाज बहुत कम आ रही है. आप उसको माइक्रोफोन की वो बढ़ा दो, वॉल्यूम.
Now it is audible.
ऑडिबल है, लेकिन आवाज बहुत कम है.
बहुत कम है.
बहुत कम. सुनाई नहीं दे रहा लोगों को.
पूरा वॉल्यूम दे दिया जो भी है. First of all, respected director.
We are unable to hear you. Sorry, sir. Your voice is very low.
I had given column. Now it is audible.
Very low, sir. Very low.
Little bit, sir. We can manage.
हाँ सर, बोलो सर. आप तो ठीक है सर. It's okay.
Might be due to slow internet. Might be.
ठीक है सर, बोलो आप तो ठीक है.
Coordinator Dr. A.K. Atta, Deans, HODs, resource person, other guests, participant. It's a matter of great pleasure that Department of Physics and Applied Science successful 1 week on development and application of sensors in modern life. 9th October sponsored by AICT. Sensor is a very important thing in our daily life, and without sensor we cannot think. Nowadays it is used in different purposes and different places, as like ultrasound, radar, solution, laser technologies, etc. Besides that, nowadays there is a new topic, that is a new issue, integrated sensor, the California company, that is Profusa, that enables people to monitor body chemistry and innovative. Besides that, high-tech sensor for blood measurement, the new blood measurement with the high-tech style. Every sensor is designed to make life significantly easier for diabetic, quicker insulin, then safety nets with integrated sensor, then sensor drug dispenser, then sensor technologies in vehicles, sensor technology in home and garden. So we cannot think without sensor. The future belongs to the tiny ones in sensor system are omnipotent in our daily lives. They provide security, save life, life as more and more areas of life are automated and network. The importance of intelligent sensor technologies will also increase in the future. It will be interesting to see what our everyday life will look like 5 to 10 years time. I hope all the participants they have been five on it. Even basic science will also conduct similar programs in the near future also. And those participants and experts who also participated in this program, I also congratulate, and I also wish heartfelt thanks to all of them. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your nice word, and I hope in this will helps to conduct another program, other kind of program, faculty development program. And I have received also some feedbacks from the students, and they are asking the hands-on training and in this type of the program. So now I request the participants if give their views on this program if they have attended. So any participants, if you want to give your views, please, I welcome. So any participants, please.
Sir, I am Dr.
I think,
Vikas Garg. I am Dr.
sir,
Vikas
please,
Garg,
please.
Associate
Yes, sir.
Professor and Head in Civil Engineering in Central University of Haryana. I attended sessions
evening, sir.
and all the sessions were really good. Speakers were very good. Especially you have also arranged the sessions for outcome-based education, ethics. They were really good. Also, I came to know about the sensors in the field of health. Otherwise, I was not having any idea earlier that. I would like to attend such type of FDPs in the physical mode if we will get chance in future also.
Sure.
And once again, I would like to congratulate for the wonderful workshop you have arranged in a very good manner. Rather, on time, every session was started and completed. Really thankful to all the organizers.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. You have joined in the name of Central University Haryana.
Sir,
So
I do not know why it is taken. My name is Dr. Vikas Garg.
okay, Vikas Garg. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
I
if
was trying
anyone,
to change. I was trying to change, but it is not.
okay. Okay, sir. If any other participants, if want to give their views, please. Supervise there.
Yes, sir.
You want to say
Yes, sir.
anything?
Yes, sir. I want to say something.
Yeah, please tell.
First of all, a warm good evening to all present here. So myself, Suprabha Ghosh, a PhD student from NIT Arunachal Pradesh and doing under the guidance of Dr. Ananta sir. I want to thank all the experts for their amazing lectures. It means a lot for us. We came to know a lot of new things from this 5-day seminar, which will help us in our future. I wish to attend this type of seminar in near future also. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. So any other participant, if you want to share their views, please.
Sir, this is Dr. Nagendra Kumar.
Please
Yes, sir.
open your
Please.
video. Please open your video.
Oh. This is Dr. Nagendra Kumar from Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, Chennai.
Yes, sir. Please.
Since I am having a mechanical background, you have introduced the professors are introduced new sensors to me. I expected actually some electronic sensor which will be used in the regular life, but the chemicals chemistry staffs are introduced new types of sensor, biosensor and other types of sensors. It's giving a new way of taking it to the new way of research, really. My thanks to everyone. And one thing I expected, if any hands-on experience, if you give
Yes, yes.
through the any kind of MATLAB software or any other interfacing with some electronic modules, so it will be helpful for us to learn further. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much
Okay,
for
sir.
all professors.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your suggestion. Actually, when we have submitted this FDP to the ATOL, so basically sensor are various types. So we thought that in 1 day we cannot complete the all type of the sensor. So that's why this time we focus basically the chemosensor and biosensor. So they are used in biological purposes or maybe in other purposes. So okay, I will keep your thinking that in the near future, if possible, obviously we will try to conduct this type of FDP based on the maybe electrosensor or other kind of the sensor. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. If any other one, please.
अच्छा
Please,
सर,
please,
अच्छा
please.
सर, बिफोर अपन यहाँ से मूव करेंगे उससे पहले एक फोटोग्राफ खींचेंगे ऑल ऑफ
Sure, sure.
हाँ ये
No,
जरूरी
I have taken the screenshot, sir, and I am just sir 1 minute. I am trying to contact with director, sir, if possible. Please, sir, 1 minute, sir.
सब लोग आप अपना वीडियो ऑन करें प्लीज, ओपन योर वीडियोस ऑल ऑफ यू। सर शायद बिजी होंगे मेरे हिसाब से, अट्टा सर।
Sir, 1 minute, sir, please. So I could not connect with him. So at the outset, I expressed my gratitude and thanks to AICT Training Learning Academy ATOL Academy for sponsoring this very useful and emerging faculty development program. I sincerely thanks to our director, Professor P. Mahanta, for providing all possible help, infrastructure, valuable guidance for making this program a grand success. I express my heartfelt thanks to Institute Coordinator of ATOL FDP, Dean, heads, and section officers, and convener of this program, Dr. Kartik Mandal, sir. Thank you, sir. I would to extend our highest respect and most sincere gratitude to the joint efforts of all participants, experts, guests, and representatives for successful completion of this FDP program. And I am very much thankful to all those who have been helpful and worked all through from inception till completion to make this program a success. Last but not least, I thank to all, sir. So now I request to all, please, you should keep your video on, and we will take a one screenshot. So please, all are requested.
All of you please open your videos, all of you please. Saurabh Prasad,
On your video, Biman.
Jyoti Bhushan, Bimal Roy, Dr. Devi S. सब लोग वीडियो ऑन करें प्लीज, जितना कर सकते थे कर लिया डॉक्टर साहब।
Mini lawyer.
लोगों का
I think they are in not proper days to. Okay. So I have taken. So thank you, sir, for attending this
Thank you.
valedictory program, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
थैंक यू।
Thank you, Dr. Anand Kumar, for
Thank-
organizing this
thank-
program. Nice program. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.